What is the average electrician salary in Turkey? The average electrician income in Turkey is around 14,600 US dollars a year. That is the average annual gross salary before tax, but after tax it drops to $9,700. This leaves you with roughly $808 a month in take-home pay. While that is the countrywide average, an electrician in Istanbul brings home $11,300 after tax. Pay in big cities is usually higher, but the cost of living in those areas often cancels out the extra money. On top of that, your experience level plays a huge role in how much you make. Entry-level electrician wages start well below the main average, though your electrician pay goes up quickly during your first few years. After that early jump, it tends to level off unless you step into a supervisor role. Getting a university degree or higher technical diploma also helps because it separates basic pay levels and lets you advance. With proper qualifications, you can move up to become a master technician or a site manager. Finally, your employer's scale matters a lot. Small local firms pay much less, whereas large national companies and international corporations offer substantially higher electrician income.